with SKF. Today we're working on a 2017 Freightliner Cascadia. What we'll be doing today is replacing the rear U-joint on this vehicle, and I'm going to show you how to properly inspect and replace it. Now, some of the tools you're going to need are basic hand tools. What you're going to need is a pry bar, sockets, ratchet, U-joint press, snap ring plier, and impact. So now that we're at the truck, I'm going to show you how to properly inspect the U-joint that we're going to be replacing. So what you'll want to do now is actually take the yoke and rotate it side by side and then up and down, looking for any type of movement inside the cap and the cross. Another tip is if you see any type of rust leaking out of the cap and the cross, that is a sign of a dry cap and the U-joint will need to be replaced. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the U-joint by taking out the retaining bolts, using of course our ratchet and socket. So now that we have the drive shaft on the bench, we're going to go ahead and remove the C-clips and take out the U-joint. So I've gone ahead and I've snipped the tab that holds two caps together. By doing this, it helps me rotate the caps in a position where I can use my tool, so my tool will sit flush on the caps to drive out the lower cap down here. And I'll show you how to do that. You can see we've removed the other cap. Now we're going to flip the drive shaft over and repeat the procedure. And then go ahead and take out the cross. Before you install the U-joint, you want to do a couple of checks. One is to actually make sure that the yoke hole is nice and clean, free of debris or rust. The other thing is you want to make sure the C-clip groove is clean of rust. So we're at the shop press and we're going to get ready to install our new U-joint. The first step we're going to do is put our cap in there slightly. Just lay it in there, give it a little push so it's snug right in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it on there, we're going to press it halfway in and then slip in the cross. That's it. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and put the cross in, seating it right down on the bottom cap. Now we're going to take it back on the press and press the cap further in. Skosh. I think we're good. So now that we have the first cap pressed in, we're going to go ahead and install the first C-clip. So we're going to go ahead and install the second cap on the yoke. Again, just like the first one, just kind of get it in there snug so it doesn't fall out. And then we'll take it over right on the press and press it all the way in. Got it? Now, that feels like we're in, buddy.
I'm rolling, go ahead.
So now that we got this installed, we're going to go ahead and put it right on the truck. So with the new U-joint comes new hardware. So we're going to go ahead and install the new U-joint bolts on the U-joint here. And then always remember, when you're torquing down the joints, always torque down to manufacturer specifications. So we have this 2017 Freightliner Cascadia wrapped up. Thanks again for watching. And remember, when choosing replacement parts for your vehicle, always install confidence with SKF bearing seals and U-joints. For complete product information, visit us at skfpartsinfo.com and follow us on Twitter at skfpartsinfo.